Malaking sinagot na itong si Coach Tim sa isang panayam matapos tong matanong patungkol dito sa posibleng susunod na plano ng SBP. Yan matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Last week nga mga bularo, alam naman nating maliban dito sa controversial win ng Magnolia kalaban ng Barangay, naging laman din ang usap-usapan nakaraang linggo etong ACL injury na maling natamo ni Kevin dito sa kalagitnaan ng kanilang laban kontra Terra Firma. Kaya naman dahil dyan, inaasahan na posibleng ilang linggo o buwan na namang di makalaro si Alas. Especially na ito na ang pangatlong beses na maling na-injury ang tuhod ni Kevin. Kung saan kahapon, kahit nawala siya sa ika-4 na laban ng Road Warriors this Commissioner's Cup, nagawa pa rin ang kanyang koponan na manalo kontra Batang Pierre. Pero maliban dito, naging laman din ang usap-usapan sa nasabing tapatan etong mainit na sagutan ni Thomas Robinson at Pedro Harencio sa kalagitnaan ng third quarter.
Just upset, that's all. They lost, we won.
Even before the end of the game, you were already sharing words with the coaching staff of Northport. Can you just tell us exactly what happened in that third quarter in particular?
No, I was just competing. He's competing, I'm competing. That's all. Yeah, I know. I wish Kevin speedy recovery, man. He's a strong dude. That's his third one, and I'm sure he'll get past it.
What's your thoughts on the backup guard stepping up for NLEX tonight?
Great, doing great. They all playing good. Everybody stepped up and played a bigger role. So I'm proud of Chris and all the other guys.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, 3 buwan na nga lang mga bulero bago maganap etong nalalapit na panibagong window ng FIBA. Hanggang ngayon wala pa ring opisyal na balita na inilalabas ang SBP patungkol dito. Kaya naman dahil dyan, sa pinaka-latest na panayam kay Coach Tim, kanyang sinagot ang bagay na yan.
Nothing, really. I think that right now Gilas is just really trying to figure out. They've been given a schedule by FIBA. I know what the schedule is, and they've been given a FIBA schedule, and they're just trying to see how they can manipulate preparation time, player availability. Who's going to coach. They're trying to figure that all out right now. And I still think that they're going to get all of the, what I understand, they're going to get all the, the PBA together, the UAAP together, NCAA, all the stakeholders and try to form a plan, not only just for this year, but all the way to the World Cup, I think, in 2027.